2703 Fortune update video. It's an awesome duplex that has 2 units in it for rent. This is the first unit. All units have their own laundry. So the first unit has a basement down here. Go down here. So you're gonna have a little bit more storage here on this. So you have a full basement, and your laundry room's right here. So there's all your hookups and stuff for that, and you have a lot of storage place. And let's go upstairs and look at the unit. It has a very modern kitchen, bathroom. It's in Parma. You do have a garage spot too, separate garage. So here's the kitchen. Stainless steel refrigerator, oven, dishwashers, got everything. It's got gas cooking, all nice 18-inch tile. You have a nice breakfast bar or whatever you want to use here. This is the living room, which is nice. Place for your big screen TV. A lot of place here for entertainment. You also have the front patio here that you can use also. This will be for the bottom unit. So you have your own private front patio also. Get this thing locked. So we got that, and then you have the bathroom, large bathroom, a lot of counter space, toilet. We got like the rain shower, so it's actually like a thunderstorm rain. It's pretty cool. Newer windows. Here's your bedroom here. That is tiled, nice private. Again, you got newer windows, ceiling fan, all new plugs and switches and lights and paint. Here's the closet, nice big closet. They'll have a pole in there for you. So this is the first unit. So let's go to the second unit. Back here, and again there's a ton of parking. So one side's for the bottom unit, one side's for the top unit. The top unit also has its own back patio, so you can sit here and privately do whatever, drink coffee right here. So it has a nice big back patio. You can put a grill back here, whatever you want, so you can kind of see how high it is. You also have storage up here. You got some nice indoor, outdoor carpet when you move in, get in. And then you have plenty of storage here. So this is all built for the storage. This is brand new, all sheetrocked, all taken care of. And you can lock it up, so you'll have your own keys there. Let's go inside. And again, you got gas. There'll be a brand new, dishwasher there that's getting installed. You have plenty of counter space, refrigerator, gas, large living room. So this is wood floors, recessed lighting. So nice big open studio floor plan. And a good thing with this one too is you have your bedroom here. So it's a pretty good sized bedroom, but you also have a nice closet here. But you also have a modern bathroom here too. So you got the tile, large shower area. So there's, you know, it's just a really nice shower. And then also what's really a big plus on this one too, you have more storage here, and you have a washer and dryer that you can use up here. So you have your own private washer and dryer. So this is your 2 units. You got upstairs, downstairs in the heart of Parma, Ohio. And this is the end of your virtual tour. Thanks.